Little storyteller.
Ollie the Octopus had 8 wiggly arms and loved music. He lived in a colorful coral garden where rainbow fish zoomed past and sleepy starfish rested on sandy bottoms. Ollie wanted to be a one-man band. He found some pretty coral that looked like little trumpets. He tried to blow them, puffing out his cheeks, but only tiny bubbles came out. Ollie giggled. This was harder than it looked. Then Ollie found a big, swirly conch shell. A perfect horn, he thought. He put his mouth to the opening and blew with all his might. Blat. The conch shell made a very loud noise. A little yellow fish jumped and bumped into a piece of swaying seaweed. Ollie covered his ears. Oops! Ollie tried to play his coral trumpets again. He wiggled his arms and tapped on them with his suckers. They made soft, clicky sounds, like tiny underwater bells. Just as Ollie was making a nice little click-clack rhythm with his coral, he accidentally bumped the conch shell with one of his wiggly arms. Blat. The loud sound echoed through the coral garden again. This time, a sleepy starfish wobbled and tumbled off a rock. "Oh dear," said Ollie sadly. A wise old sea turtle, with a mossy green shell, swam over. "What's all the commotion, young Ollie?" she asked gently. Ollie explained that he wanted to be a one-man band, but his horn was too loud and only played one note. The wise sea turtle smiled. "Sometimes," she said, "the best music is made together." Just then, the little yellow fish and the sleepy starfish came back. The yellow fish made tiny bubbly sounds as it swam, and the starfish tapped gently on the sand with its points. "Maybe we can all play together," Ollie exclaimed. Ollie tapped his coral trumpets. The yellow fish made bubbly sounds and the starfish tapped the sand. Sometimes, Ollie would still bump the conch shell, and Blat would go the horn, but they all laughed. They were a coral reef band. Playing together was much more fun than playing alone. And Ollie learned that even if something doesn't work the way you planned, it can still lead to something wonderful, especially when you share it with friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.